Namaste. Today we are going to do the part 5. So let's stand up and open your legs about 40 centimeter and make sure that they are in the V shape. Join the palm together. Inhale, exhale. Then inhale, bring your arms up, bend your knees down. Exhale up, inhale down. Exhale up, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale, and hold. Try to push your knee outward, open your knees. Try to open them as much easy and possible. Exhale up. Shake your legs. Feet hip wide open. Put your focus somewhere in front. Then inhale, bring your arms up. Interlock your fingers. Exhale, focus, gaze. And inhale, lift yourself all the way up. Try to stand on your toes. Try to balance. Keep breathing. And then as you exhale, come down. Shake your leg one more time. Now take your left leg, left foot onto your right thigh. Palm together. As you inhale, bring your arms up. Shoulders down. And pulling your knee outward, backward. Exhale down. Change your leg. Right foot onto the left thigh. Palm together. Then as you inhale, bring your arms up, palm together and shoulders down. Exhale down. Shake your legs. Then bring your right foot forward. Bend your left knee. Hold with your left hand. Inhale, bring your right arm up. And with exhale, bend forward. Back to the center. Bring your leg down and change your leg. Bend your right knee. Grab with your right hand. Left arm up, inhale. And as you exhale, bend forward. Exhale down. Shake your leg. Now open your leg about 1 meter, 10 centimeter. Bring your hands onto your waist. Open your right foot out. Make sure your navel is still pointing straight. Then palms, hands at the shoulder level. Inhale. As you exhale, bring your right arm towards your right leg, left arm towards the sky. Make sure that you are feeling on this area. Breathe. Back to the center. Change your leg. Right foot in, left foot out. Inhale. As you exhale, bring your left arm towards left leg and right arm towards the sky. And as you can see, I'm not holding my leg, so I'm using these muscles to bend. So I'm not putting my leg weight onto my leg that I don't feel anything here, but onto my hand, onto my arms. So you let go, you just touch the hand to the leg and you're feeling onto this area. Breathe. Back to the center. Bring your leg back to hip wide open and shake them. And then open your leg one more time, 1 meter, 40 centimeter this time. And take your right foot out, 90 degree, bend your knee, 90 degree. So knee and ankle in one line. And this foot is pressing down that way. And this is pressing forward and this backward. So we are opening this like with the leg out as well as the hand, arms. Look forward. Back to the center and change the leg. Left foot out, knee press forward, back foot press backward. Inhale, stretch your arms out, look forward. Back to the center and go back to your front of your mat. Shake your leg. Then bring your left leg onto your right thigh. Hold there and balance. If you feel that it's not too balanced and you are mumbling too much, you can go ahead, stand by the wall and bring your palm onto the wall to give the little support from the wall. And you can remove the hand from the wall and see how you feel. You probably start to mumble. You can take the wall again and then remove and find the balance. Let the neurons in the brain learn to balance. Then once you are balanced, inhale. With exhale, bend gently forward, slowly forward. And bring your hand onto your shin bones. Just stay there. Those who are more flexible, they can go further. Touch the ground. Those who are even more flexible, they can bring their palm all the way down and try bring your chest towards the knee. And support with your hands. Bring your hands onto your shin bones and very slowly come back. You probably mumble a lot, but it's okay, just go. And as you continue practicing, it will be better. Change your leg. Right foot onto the left thigh. Balance. Find the balance. If you need wall, bring your hand onto the wall. And inhale with exhale, bending forward very slowly, bringing the hand onto the shin bone. And those can bring the hand on the ground or palm on the ground. So see which feels the best in your body, whether to hold shin bone or touch the ground or palm all the way on the ground, chest towards the knee. Then bring the hands onto your shin bones and very slowly come back, balancing and release. Shake your leg. Then open your leg about 1 meter, 10 centimeter. Bring the hands onto your waist. Inhale, lift your chest up. And with exhale, bend forward. 90 degree. Make sure the back is nice, straight. So don't want to do this. You don't want to hunch. Keep your back straight, chest out, shoulder down. You can bring the hand onto your thighs. Now those who can put the hand on the ground, go ahead, place the palm on the ground. Keep your back straight, chest out, shoulder down. Relax your head. Then bring the hands onto your waist. Inhale, look up. Exhale, inhale, come back. And go back to the front of your mat. Shake your leg. Sit down. We will try arm balancing. Try to build the upper arms. So bring your palm on the ground, about shoulder width apart. Palm flat on the ground, wide fingers as crawl of the crows. Then lift your hips up so that your knee comes behind your upper arm. Bend your elbows. Knee touches the upper arms. And then all we need to do here today is going forward and backward. Forward and backward. As you can see that I take off the weight from the feet and place it onto my upper arms and then go back to the feet. So by doing that, you are learning to give strength to your upper arms, and once your arms are strong, we can go and do next step. And try to hold there. Breathe. That's good. Come down and sit onto your hips. Join the sole of the feet together. Hold with your hands. Close your eyes. Lift your chest up and shake your legs. Shake your knees. Then gradually stop and go into Sukhasana in any comfortable posture. Bring your hands onto your knees. Keep your eyes closed. Let the breathing come down to normal as you concentrate onto your breath. Then rub your palm together and bring your palms onto your face. Rub your face. Give thanks and prayer pose. And very slowly and gently open your eyes. So that was our part 5. Let me know in the comment section how it was practicing it. And as you can see behind me, the beautiful view, I'm on an island and it's a paradise. So let me show you that.